All right, today I want to share with you my November top fragrances, you guys. So if you're interested in hearing my top layering fragrances of November, please stay tuned. Hi, Nistas, and we're back. How are you? Great to see you. I hope you're happy to see me. So you guys, it's December 1st, and we gonna try to be as active as we possibly can during this month because I'll have extra time and I'm gonna work really hard to try to get my channel back up and consistent, you guys. So I want to share with you my November fragrance combinations because I really had some good ones. So we're gonna start off with the first 2 weeks of November. I have my little notebook here. So we're gonna start off with the week of November 2nd and November 9th, and then I'm gonna come back and give you the other 2 weeks, and I'm gonna try to give them to you going forward, hopefully every Saturday, because I think for the month of December I'll just share them by the week instead of doing them bi-weekly. Does that sound good? All right, so we're gonna start with the week of November the 2nd. All right, so with this fragrance combination, you guys, I started off with the Midnight Addiction. This is from the luxury line of Bath and Body Works. This has ripe plum, rich almond flower, addictive coffee bean. So I went in with these two. This is the body cream and this is the fine fragrance mist. This is one of my favorites from that line because it does remind me of the YSL DNA. And it just smells so nice to me. And also before and after putting those two products on, I went in with the Puff Society. Puff Society is a marshmallow forward fragrance from Brown Sugar Babe that is inspired by K.I. Lee's Yum Bougie Marshmallow. And this is really nice, you guys. It's more like a strawberry candied, somewhat milky like marshmallow, and it's nice. So as you can see, I have really been enjoying this. So I went in with this oil and the fragrance that I wore on that day, and I smelled so good. I got several compliments, is the Black Opium YSL Glitter. And this is the original Black Opium DNA with a marshmallow note in it. But this marshmallow note is more of an airy marshmallow. It does not give you that super sweet gourmand. It gives you more of like that powdery marshmallow. It doesn't give you like that thick, rich creaminess. But to me, I think that the perfumer who did this, he did the right blend of marshmallow for me. But this one, you guys, it was really good. So if you have these products, I think you should try it. All right, the next fragrance combination was fire, you guys. It was a powerhouse fragrance combination. If you do not want a lot of attention, or if you are sensitive to beast mode type of fragrances, I don't recommend this one. But if that's what you're looking for, I recommend this one, and it was so good. All right, so on the base of my body, I used 2 oils, and I went in rather liberally with the both of them. So I used the Perfect Pear, and if you know, you know, this would possibly take over your layering combination. But if you have another heavy hitter, all they're going to do is compete. So I went in with the Vanilla Whisper as well. Both of these are inspired scents. This is inspired by Amorous Intense by Navitus in collaboration with AI the Great. And this is inspired by Matiere Premier's Vanilla Powder. I do have the original scents of those. So I went in with the Vanilla Powder. And I actually went in with the fragrance. I don't know what made me pull out this all over spray. But if you are familiar with Navitus all over sprays, they are just as strong and as potent as the actual fragrances. But it doesn't matter which one of these you put on first, because to me, as far as the intensity and the longevity as it relates to the projection and how strong the fragrance is, they're equal in my opinion. But this was a very beautiful fragrance combination with that vanilla and coconut, with the pear and that subtle apple note. It just went together. It was perfect. Going into the week of November the 9th, this one here, you guys, it was so good. I had bought this discovery set from Sephora during the Sephora sale, and it was from the Harlem Perfume Company. And you know, I had always heard in the past really good things about Langston as well as Showgirl. So after reading the notes of Langston and sampling the fragrance, I said, let's try to do some things. So I did exactly that. So in the shower, I finished my shower off with the Coco Shea Espresso Fragrance Body Wash, the moisturizing body wash. And then I went in with the Cocoa Amber Body Cream and the chocolate, not Cocoa Amber, but the Chocolate Amber Body Cream and Fragrance Mist, both from Bath & Body Works. This has fragrance notes of vanilla orchid, honey chocolate, and warm vanilla, you guys. This is nice. When I bought this, I think this was during summer SAS. I almost missed out on it because I was not overly impressed when I first sprayed it, or my attention just went into it. I don't know what it was. But I did go back and I got it, and I'm so glad that I did, you guys, because this pairs so beautiful with, and yeah, after wearing that fragrance combination, I ended up getting a full-size bottle with Langston from the Harlem Perfume Company, you guys. This is such a beautiful fragrance. Oh my God, this is good. This has like an orange note in it. It has a rum note in it. And the way that this smells, to me, my imagination, it does get away from me at times. This fragrance, the way it smells, from what I've seen in history books and documentaries, this takes me back. I can envision, you know, artists and pioneers from the Harlem Renaissance smelling like this. It also has like this, I don't think tobacco is in this, but it has like this tobacco, woody, rustic kind of note that you would possibly smell in maybe a bar or something. But I really like this. This fragrance is absolutely beautiful. So yes, after sampling it with that fragrance combination, I do plan on wearing this some more. But you guys, I did get about 3 compliments on this particular day. It was so pleasing. Really enjoyed that fragrance combination. Okay, you guys, so next up, this next fragrance combo, I started off with the Cashmere Whipped Oil Body Butter from EOS. Beautiful fragrance. Love the way that smelled. Then I went in with the Sweet Honey Buckin. This is inspired by the Cirque du Soleil fragrance. And the fine fragrance mist that I decided to use was Let the Good Times Roll, you guys. And this is a ooey gooey gourmand delight from Lush. So I went in with that. And I topped it off with the Cirque du Soleil original fragrance. Really enjoyed this fragrance on this particular day. And next up, you guys, I also wore on this particular week, I started off with this body oil, and I also used this because I did want to enhance the vanilla note in this fragrance combination. This is Halo. It is inspired by Parfums de Marly Valea. So I went in with these 2 moisturizers, and then I wore Existence, which is a fragrance that puts you in the mind of Guidance and Valea mixed together. It's a very crisp, clean, almost soapy type of fragrance to me. You can smell the greenness of this fragrance. You can smell the muskiness of this fragrance. And it's just absolutely beautiful. I do think that most people probably wear this during the spring and summer, but to me, this could definitely serve as a year-round fragrance because it is absolutely gorgeous. So pairing it with the halo, it was a no question. Next up, you guys, I went in with the Body Silk. This is the Nolita Body Silk. I still have the Body Silk, but I did use up all of my fragrance. And I also used the Bel Air body oil from Brown Sugar Babe. This is a clean, musky ambroxan type of body oil that you could wear just about with any fragrance. It's one of those fragrances that's going to just enhance the natural pheromones of your body. So I went in with these two, and the tangerine note is the note that I was really trying to pull from the Nolita. Then I went in with another one of the Harlem Perfume Company fragrance, and yes, when I got the Langston, I just went ahead and got Showgirl, you guys. This fragrance is absolutely beautiful. To me, this is more befitting for spring and summer. This is a citrusy fragrance that has some white florals in it, and it has like this spiciness from the pink pepper, but it's not one of those spices that tickles your nose. It's just one of those spices that is really smoothing out the white florals and the citrus note in it. And it smells so good. So pairing that with the Nolita, which also has some white florals as well as that tangerine note in it, it was perfect, you guys. This was absolutely beautiful. This fragrance is said to have a little lavender in it. I don't get so much of the lavender, but I definitely do pick up the jasmine in here. But it's an absolute beautiful fragrance as well. So you guys, those were the fragrance combinations that I enjoyed the first 2 weeks of November. If you have any additional questions, leave those in the comment section below. And give your girl some ideas on some more wintry December winter wonderland fragrance combinations. I want to thank you guys so very much. I greatly appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And do not forget, you, yes you are great. Bye-bye.